those of you that are using side imaging already, I appreciate that very much. Humminbird appreciates that. Humminbird, back several years ago, brought out the new side imaging equipment. And of course, they've just been adding to it as they go. And they're the innovators in that market. They have been for years. Now they've got down imaging. Now those of you with side imaging unit that haven't went in and upgraded them, everyone, I hope, realizes that you can upgrade those units. Is there anyone that doesn't know what I'm talking about there on upgrading your side imaging? I'll tell you how to do that. Okay, good. Just be sure to go in every now and then. Register your unit at humminbird.com, go in and check for updates. And all you have to do, download them to an SD card, put it in your unit, it'll update it to the latest software. If you haven't updated since down imaging is available, go in there and do that. Down imaging is just, it's 3D sonar right under your boat, where now you have 2D. You have 2D, normal, you get that normal LCD readout on 2D sonar. Down imaging looks like an X-ray right under your boat, just like the side imaging does off to the side. So if you haven't got it, go in there and download that. But be sure and watch for this 360 coming out. The way this will work, it'll be a special transducer. It'll even have a mounting unit that's remote. You punch a button, let it down on the back of your boat. It stands to reason that has to be below the back of your boat and not just even with it like we are now with side imaging. It has to be below it. So you let that down, it reads you 360 all the way around the boat, in front of the boat, behind the boat, beside the boat, 150 foot every direction. I don't know what more they can come up with, y'all. The fish haven't got a prayer, have they? Now why didn't we all catch fish today then? But it is fantastic, and it's going to be, that's right. But it's going to be a great addition to the Humminbird family of products. So be sure and check that out. And just go to Getting Outdoors Facebook page. He's got the video that Kevin Van Dam did on it yesterday when they introduced it. And you'll be able to see it right there. And again, I appreciate y'all for using Humminbird. And of course, Humminbird is also a Johnson Outdoors company along with MinnKota Trolling Motors. Everybody uses MinnKota Trolling Motors. How many of you don't have a MinnKota on your boat? Bless you, my son. You did. Y'all will come around. But that's great. I appreciate you so much. When MinnKota started promoting trolling motors in the crappie market back years ago, we'd go to a tournament in the South and they'd say, "Min what? What are you talking about?" MinnKota was not known about in the South. MinnKota is known about in the South now, East, North, and West, because they own about 89% of the market share. The reason they do is they build good products. So if you're in the market for a trolling motor, all I ask you to do, give them a chance to show you the product. It's a fantastic product.